Hey friends, so welcome back. This is day 2, 12 days of skincare. This one is gonna be short, it's gonna be sweet. I have a headache, so I'm trying to go to bed. So I'm not gonna do that much tonight, so you'll see kind of just what I do when I'm trying to, I'm trying to go to sleep. Talk a little bit about niacinamide, talk a little bit about glycolic acid, how I use those two products in my nighttime skincare routine to help with some hyperpigmentation and all of those good things. So we'll just go ahead and we'll get right into it. So I have already showered and washed my face. I'm gonna keep this pretty short tonight because I have a headache and I'm just really trying to go to bed. I'm not trying to do anything intense tonight. So I already washed my face. I need to do my toner right now, but I use the Allies of Skin Molecular Silk Amino Hydrating Cleanser. This stuff is really top notch. If like the Drunk Elephant is like neutral, like this is like luxe neutral, and by neutral I mean it's just like a really gentle cleanser, but this one seriously feels luxurious. And one, like the packaging is like just so sick, this silver packaging, but it's so soft on your skin that you want to keep just like washing your face. You're like, yeah, like this feels amazing, I'm gonna keep doing this. So highly recommend this. I want to say the price point is $30 to $40, so it's pretty amazing. And then I'm gonna use the Inky Glycolic Acid Toner my face. So glycolic acid is an alpha hydroxy acid, and what it does specifically is to help, what's the word I'm looking for? It helps to just kind of get rid of, it helps to exfoliate. That's what I'm looking for. It's a chemical exfoliant. Helps to exfoliate the outermost layer of your skin. So if you're really looking for that sort of glowy skin, it's a good product for that, just because it helps to kind of get away the stuff that's sitting right on the surface that, isn't really doing you any good anymore. Before the Inky I think I was using Pixie Glycolic Acid Toner. I think that one's 5%. That was the first one that I had ever used, I want to say. So that was a really great introduction to glycolic acid toners, and I highly recommend that one. That was the first toner that I used where I was like, whoa, things are changing. So really like that one. Yes, so next I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna use some niacinamide from the Inky list as well. It has this terrible kind of like flip up cap here, and then you just kind of get crusty product all around it. It's the literal worst packaging I've ever encountered ever. So how many times am I gonna say ever? But whatever, the actual product is fine. Diacidamide Vitamin B3. It's kind of a great do-it-all product, good for kind of helping to lessen the appearance of your pores, good for hyperpigmentation, good for helping to kind of up your natural ceramide production. All around good stuff. Generally also really good, even if you have sensitive skin. Did I say it was good for hyperpigmentation? I don't know if I did, but that's mainly what I started using it for like the hyperpigmentation around my nose. I would say that it helped a lot with kind of helping to lighten the skin that's like right around there. And then I'm just gonna go in with some La Retro whipped cream. Drunk Elephant, once again. I pretty much use this moisturizer every night. It's super thick, really kind of gets you through the night, and waking up with skin that's still pretty hydrated, not dry, all of those good things, because obviously we're not drinking water, we're not doing anything when we're sleeping, so you want to make sure that you're putting on a decent moisturizer before you go to bed. Cool, so got the moisturizer on, and then I'm gonna do a few drops of marula oil. I've got it in the palm of my hand right now. I'm just gonna warm it up. And I want to press this in to my face. And some days I do pat. People say that, you know, it helps with absorption. I don't know. It's kind of fun though. Feels nice before I go to bed. But that was the finishing touch. So, that is all for tonight, folks. That's it. Thanks so much for tuning in to day 2 of 12 days of skincare, and I will see you tomorrow. Adios.